Hello, my friends. Thank you for being here today. I know life is busy. I know you could be somewhere else. But you chose to be here, and that means something. It means you want to grow. You want to change. And maybe you're tired of feeling lazy. So let's talk about it. Laziness. That heavy feeling when you know what to do, but you don't do it. That voice in your head that says, I'll start later, maybe tomorrow. Sound familiar? Today, I want to tell you something very important. You are not lazy. You are stuck. And there is a big difference. Most people are not lazy because they don't care. They are lazy because they feel overwhelmed, unmotivated, lost, or even afraid. When we don't know where to start, or we feel like nothing will change, our body and brain shut down. We scroll. We sleep. We avoid. We wait and we call it laziness. But deep inside you want more. That's why you're here. Let's begin by understanding this. Laziness is a signal, not a sickness. It's a message from your mind. It's saying, something's not right. I don't feel ready. I don't feel clear. I don't feel excited. So the first step to overcoming laziness is not to fight it with guilt or shame. That doesn't help. You've already tried that. The real first step is to get honest with yourself and say, what's really holding me back? Ask yourself, am I tired? Am I scared of failing? Do I feel alone in my journey? Do I even know why I want to do this task? Sometimes, laziness is just a mask for deeper feelings. And once you look behind the mask, things start to change. Let me give you a simple truth. Clarity creates energy. When your goal is clear, your energy grows. When your purpose is strong, action becomes easier. But when your mind is full of confusion, of course you'll feel lazy. Who wouldn't? So here's a little exercise I want you to try today. 1. Write down one small thing you've been avoiding. Just one. 2. Ask yourself, why am I not doing this? Be honest. 3. Then ask, what's the smallest, easiest step I can take today? Not a big step. Not a perfect step. Just a small one. Because here's the secret. Action kills laziness. Even a tiny action can wake up your brain and start a chain reaction. You don't need to feel motivated first. You need to move first. Motivation comes after movement, not before. So if you're feeling lazy, don't wait to feel ready. Get up, stretch, drink water, open your notebook. Do just 5 minutes. That's all. You don't need to finish. You just need to start. In Chapter 2, we'll talk about how to build strong habits and routines that make laziness almost impossible. But for now, take a deep breath. You are not lazy. You are ready. And your new life starts with one small step. Chapter 2. Build habits that beat laziness. In Chapter 1, we talked about one important truth. You are not lazy, you're stuck. We said that laziness is a signal, not a weakness. It often comes from confusion, fear, or lack of direction. And we learned that the best way to kill laziness is not with motivation, but with small, simple action. Now, in Chapter 2, I want to take you one step further. Today we'll talk about something powerful, something that can change your whole life. It's called habit. Let me ask you this. Have you ever brushed your teeth without thinking about it? Do you check your phone first thing in the morning without planning to? These are habits. Habits are things we do again and again until they become automatic. And here's the good news. If you can build a habit that makes you lazy, you can also build one that makes you strong. That's right. Laziness is not just a feeling. It's a pattern. And every pattern can be broken. So how do we build good habits? Let me give you a simple formula. 1. Make it small. Big goals are exciting, but they can also be scary. If you say, I will study 4 hours a day, your brain may run away. But if you say, I will study for just 10 minutes, your brain says, I can do that. And once you start, you often keep going. So start small. Want to read more? Start with 5 pages. Want to exercise? Do 10 squats. Want to write? Write 1 paragraph. That's how habits begin. Small, simple, real. 2. Make it easy to start. Don't make your habit something that takes a lot of setup. If you want to exercise, put your workout clothes where you can see them. If you want to read, keep your book on your bed or desk. The fewer steps it takes to begin, the more likely you'll do it. 3. Repeat it daily. Here's something important. Don't wait for motivation. Build repetition. Doing something every day, even for a few minutes, sends a message to your brain. This is what we do now. The more you repeat, the more automatic it becomes. 4. Celebrate small wins. Every time you complete your habit, even if it's small, celebrate it. Smile. Say to yourself, I did it. Check it off your list. Give your brain a reward, even if it's just a happy feeling. This creates a loop. Action, reward, repeat. Now listen carefully. Laziness doesn't disappear all at once. It fades away slowly as good habits grow. You won't feel different after 1 day. But after 1 week, 1 month, you'll look back and say, wow, I'm not the same person I was. And that's the goal. Not to be perfect, but to be better step by step every day. Here's a challenge for you. 1. Choose 1 habit to build this week. 2. Keep it small. Keep it simple. 3. Do it every day for 7 days. 4. Track it, celebrate it. Watch what happens. In Chapter 3, we'll talk about the deeper mindset that keeps people consistent, not just for a week, but for a lifetime. But for now, remember, you don't need to do everything. You just need to do something. Every day. And one day, you'll wake up and realize laziness doesn't live here anymore. Thank you for being here. Keep going. You're doing great. Chapter 3. Change your mindset, change your life. You've come a long way. In Chapter 1, we learned that laziness is often not the real problem. It's confusion, fear, or feeling stuck. Then in Chapter 2, we talked about how to build small habits that break laziness over time. But now we come to the deepest part of all. Your mindset. You see, everything begins in the mind. Your thoughts shape your feelings. Your feelings shape your actions. And your actions shape your future. So let me ask you this. What do you really believe about yourself? Do you believe you're lazy? Do you believe you'll always struggle? Do you believe change is too hard? Because if you do, let me tell you something. That belief is the real laziness. The kind that lives quietly in your thoughts and tells you, why try? It won't work. But here's the truth. You don't have to believe that voice anymore. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are simply becoming. Let's look at a few powerful mindset shifts that can help you stay strong and keep going. 1. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Some people say, "I'll start when I feel motivated." No, motivation is not something you wait for. It's something you create. Start where you are with what you have. Don't wait for a perfect morning or a better mood. Take one small step today, no matter how you feel. 2. Progress, not perfection. You will mess up. You will skip days. That's okay. The goal is not to be perfect. It's to keep coming back. A lazy mindset says, "I failed. I quit." A strong mindset says, "I missed a day. I begin again." 3. Discipline over motivation. Motivation is like the weather. It changes every day. Discipline is your umbrella. It shows up, rain or shine. So instead of asking, "Do I feel like it?" ask, "What's the next small thing I said I would do?" Talk to yourself, not listen to yourself. Don't let your brain run wild with excuses. Take control. When your mind says, "I can't," you say, "I will try." When it says, "I'm tired," you say, "Just 5 minutes." You have the power to lead your mind, not follow it. 5. See yourself as someone who takes action. Here's a secret. People become what they believe they are. If you say, "I'm lazy," you'll act lazy. But if you say, "I take small steps every day," your actions will begin to match that. You are the author of your story. Write a better one. My friends, laziness does not define you. It is a passing feeling, not your forever identity. You now have the tools. Clarity over confusion. Habits over chaos. Mindset over fear. Use them. And remember this. Every step you take, even the small, boring, quiet ones, are building something big. Your future self is watching, and they're thankful you didn't give up. If this message spoke to you, if even one part helped you, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below. What's one thing you're going to start doing today? Or tell me, what helps you fight laziness? And if you want more motivational content like this, please hit that subscribe button and join this growing community of people who are working to grow, step by step, day by day. You don't have to do this alone. We're in this together. Thank you for listening. Thank you for showing up. And most of all, thank you for believing in yourself again.